my dear pupils! I'm so happy to see you today. I'm Teacher Marianne, your Grade 4 Math Galing Buddy. Wear your beautiful smile and remember, the best way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics.
When we multiply numbers, we usually find for the exact product or an exact answer to a multiplication problem. What if we want to get an answer that is close enough but not the exact one? In this case, estimating products comes in. In today's episode, you will learn about estimating the products of 3 to 4-digit numbers by 2 to 3-digit numbers with reasonable results. Get ready with your pen and paper because it's drill time! In 5 seconds, I want you to multiply the following numbers. Ready? Aba, syempre po! Number 1, 121 times 13. If you answered 1,573, great! You are correct! Number 2, 326 times 21. The answer is 6,846. Number 3, 501 times 41. $20,541 is the answer. Great job! Number 4, 614 times 10. The answer is 6,140. Last number, 431 times 45. The correct answer is 19,395. Mas galing! I am happy that together with Ana and Tonyo, you were able to understand our previous lesson.
Ana, I am so excited for our computer class.
Me too, Tonyo. Come on, let us open the computers. Oh no! We need a password for us to have access to these computers.
Absolutely. Let us check the question to open the computers.
To open this computer, you need to find the estimated product of the numbers. 4,320 times 360. 7,610 times 512. 385 times 29. 3,267 times 62. 654 times 211.
Ana, I don't think we can do this.
We can do this, Tonyo! I know that Teacher Marianne and our Math Galing buddies will help us in opening these computers.
That is right, Ana! Math Galing buddies, let us now start our Math Galing venture today!
Math Galing Elementary School has a lot of mango trees around school ground. This harvest season, they were able to get 571 mangoes from a tree. If the school has 32 mango trees, about how many mangoes can they harvest this season? What is asked in the problem? What phrase in the problem indicates that an estimated product is being asked for? How can we find the estimated number of mangoes harvested? The phrase about how many does not ask for an actual answer but an estimate. The required answer can be solved by estimating the product. Magic step number 1. Round each factor to its greatest place value. The rounding digit in 571 is 5. Beside 5 is 7. And it is greater than 5. So we need to add 1 to the rounding digit. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then make the other numbers 0. The answer is 600. 3 is the rounding digit in 32. Beside 3 is 2 and it is less than 5. So the rounding digit will remain the same. Make the digit to the right of 3 0. The answer is 30. Now, the rounded factors are 630. Magic step number 2. Multiply the rounded factors. 600 times 30. The answer is 18,000. Did you know that in multiplying numbers with zeros, we can simply use the short method? Multiply the non-zero digit in the multiplier with the multiplicand. 6 times 3 is 18. Then add zeros in the product equal to the number of zeros in the factors. 600 has 2 zeros. 30 has 1 zero. Since there are 3 zeros in the factors, we simply attach the 3 zeros to the product of the non-zero digits, which is 18, and the resulting product is 18,000. Hence, there are about 18,000 mangoes that can be harvested this season. This is a lot of mango float, mango graham, and mango shake. To check if the estimated product is reasonable, we must find the actual product and compare it with the estimated product.
Teacher, I now know how to get the estimated product of numbers. But why do we need to estimate?
Tonyo, Anna, and my dear math-gling buddies, in real life, estimation is part of our everyday experience. But keep this in mind, there are only some situations that we can use estimation. When you are shopping in the grocery store and trying to stay within a budget, for example, you estimate the cost of the items you put in the cart to keep a running total in your head. We can also remember the answer or the number easily when we use estimation. Math-galing, math-galing, math-galing! Activity time!
Pens up, papers up, let me see your happy face. Pens up, papers up, let me see that amazing face. Look at our classroom. It is very dark. There are 5 switches of light that we can turn on to see the beauty of our classroom. But you need to estimate the product of the following numbers in order to switch on the lights. Ready? Aba, syempre po! Number 1. 105 times 46. A. 5,500. B. 5,000. C. 6,000. D. 6,500. Number 2. 218 times 62. A. 13,000. B. 12,500. C. 12,000. D. 11,000. Number 3. 327 times 192. A. 60,500. B. 60,000. C. 50,500. D. 50,000. Number 4. 268 times 432. A. 120,000. B. 120,500. C. 130,000. D. 130,500. Last number, 2,627 times 154. A. 500,500. B. 600,000. C. 605,000. D. 700,000. Let us check your answers. Number 1. Letter B, 5,000. Number 2. Letter C, 12,000. Number 3. Letter B, 60,000. Number 4. Letter A, 120,000. And number 5, letter B, 600,000. Matherific! Now that you know how to estimate the product of numbers, let us now help Tonyo and Ana in discovering the passwords of the 5 computers. Do not forget our 2 magic steps. Number 1. 4,320 times 360 is equal to... Magic step number 1. Round each factor to its greatest place value. The rounding digit in 4,320 is 4. Beside 4 is 3. And it is less than 5. So we will write the same rounding digit. Then, make the digits to the right of 4 0. The answer is 4,000. 3 is the rounding digit in 360. Beside 3 is 6, and it is greater than 5. So we need to add 1 to the rounding digit. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then make the digit to the right of 4 0. The answer is 400. Now the rounded factors are 4,000 and 400. Magic step number 2. Multiply the rounded factors. 4,000 times 400. The answer is 1,600,000. Number 2. 7,610 times 512. Magic step number 1. Round each factor to its greatest place value. The rounded factors are 8,000 and 500. Magic step number 2. Multiply the rounded factors. 8,000 times 500. The answer is 4 million. Number 3. 385 times 29 is equal to... Magic step number 1. Round each factor to its greatest place value. Now, the rounded factors are 430. Magic step number 2. Multiply the rounded factors. 400 times 30. The answer is 12,000. Number 4. 3,267 times 62. Magic step number 1. Round each factor to its greatest place value. Now, the rounded factors are 3,060. Magic step number 2. Multiply the rounded factors. 3,000 times 60. The answer is 180,000. Last number, 654 times 211. Magic step number 1. Round each factor to its greatest place value. Now, the rounded factors are 700 and 200. Magic step number 2. Multiply the rounded factors. 700 times 200, the answer is 140,000.
Wow! Thank you, Teacher Marianne. The computers are now open. It is now ready to use.
Thank you, Teacher Marianne.
You are always welcome, Ana and Tonyo. Your math galing buddies and I are always here to help you.
Remember, in using the computer and surfing the internet, always check where the information comes from. Check if the sources and data that you can see online are true. You can always ask the assistance of your parents or guardians, especially since you are still young to use the internet alone. To sum up, estimation is getting the value that is close enough to the right answer. To estimate the product, we have these two magic steps. Round each factor to its greatest place value. And then multiply the rounded factors. In multiplying numbers with zeros, we can simply use the short method. Multiply the non-zero digit in the multiplier with the multiplicand. Then add zeros in the product equal to the number of zeros in the factors. To check if the estimated product is reasonable, we must find the actual product and compare it with the estimated product.
I know that you have enjoyed our Math Galing venture today. For your additional activity, answer the question below by getting the estimated product. Keep this in mind. The best way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Remember, basta kasama si Teacher Marianne, kaya yan! That's it for today, Math Galing Buddies. See you on our next math exciting and math amazing activities.